Next one is Cuisinart TOA-60 air fryer. Are you looking for an air fryer that's a little more versatile than your standard air fryer? Cuisinart's TOA-60 is an air fryer, to be sure, but it's also a toaster oven and a convection oven, all rolled into one. Because it offers so much, the device is quite a bit larger than other air fryers. That may not be a bad thing considering it can replace more than one device on your counter. The TOA-60 boasts a 0.6 cubic foot interior, an adjustable thermostat, 60-minute timer, and the necessary accessories to make use of all its functions. Most users love it too. It currently has a 4.5-star average on Amazon, across more than 300 reviews.